Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to today's Maths online class. Today, we are going to learn and will solve some problems from exercise 3.5. So, students, from this exercise 3.5, question number 2. So, question number 1, in previous classes we had solved that question number 1, but today we are going to solve question number 2. So, question is given, here are two different factors, 3 is 4, 60. That means from this 60 we have to find some factors. So, write the missing numbers. So, these are the what? Factor trees. Okay, these are our factor trees. So from this factor trees we have to fill up this question, given question mark. So in question number B also given this question mark we have to fill up. Okay, so first of all see question number A. This factor trees, how it was going on. Okay, how it was going on. So first of all 60. So this 60 we can divide 6 into 10. So 6 into 10 you will get 60. Next again this 10, how can you divide? Suppose if your 5 is mentioned, already given 5, then you have to multiply by 2, then you will get this 10. How you will get? Suppose here 5 is mentioned, just you have to multiply with 2, then you will get this 10. So this side 10. So this 10 you can divide by 5 into 2. So students, in this question mark you have to write 2. So 5 to the 10. Next this side. Here in this circle, here mentioned 6. So, if here is 2 mentioned, then what is the factors of this question mark? So, 2 3 is 6. So, 2 into 3, 6. So, for this 60, we can write this factor 6 into 10. Again, for this 6, we can write 2 into 3 factor. That means 2 3 factor. Next, for this 10, we can write 5 2 factor. Again, question number B. In this question number B also you have 60. So this 60 we can find factor. Suppose 30. If there is 30, then in this question mark, what number will be there? Suppose if you will multiply 2, then 30 into 2 you will get this 60. Then this 60's factor we can write 30 into 2. So this 2 you no need to write again factor of 2. So again this 30 we can divide by 10. If you are multiplying this 10 by 2, not 2, 3, then 10 3 is 30. Next, if there is given 10, this 10 also we can write into factor form. So it is what? It is what? 2 5 is 10. Another way you can write here 5 and this side 2. This also correct. So these are the solution of question number 2. So students, it is solution. So students, now question number 3. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite numbers? Do you know students? In composite numbers, one factors is not included. Okay, so that's why we can write 1 is the factor which is not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. Okay. So students, this is question number 4. Question is given like this: write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. That means what? Write the greatest 4-digit number. Suppose 2-digit numbers. Greatest 2-digit number, then it will be 99. Suppose greatest 3-digit number, then it will be 999. Then here mention greatest 4-digit number, so you have to write 449. Then it will be greatest 4-digit number. And here already mentioned express it in terms of its prime factors. From these 4-digit numbers, greatest 4-digit numbers, we have to find prime factors. So students, in solution we can write, suppose greatest 4-digit number will be 9999. So students, this 99, from this 99 we have to find prime factors. So these prime factors we are going to find by using 3 methods. Okay, by using factors 3 methods. So first of all, you have to write this 449 and you have to make one circle. Okay, you have to make one circle. And this 9 we can divide. What is the factor of 999? So we know that students, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So this 999 we can write their factor 443. So again you have to make it one round like this, and this 3 you can divide like this also. Okay, but without writing this 1 3 also correct. No need to write this one. Okay, so then it also correct. So now this is what, this 3 we can divide again. How can we divide this? Suppose here 3, again 3 1 1 1 1, 3 4 4 1. After multiplication we will get this 3 3 3 3. So again you have to make round. So from this here 11, again 101, 11 into 101 you will get 111. So this is the solution of question number 4. So students, from this calculation we can write prime factors. We can write prime factors of 9999 is equal to what? This 3 into 3 into this 3, again 3, again what? 11 into 101. 11 into 101. So students, you think about this circle. Suppose here 3 is end. Here 3 is end without finding factors. Again this 3 also end without finding factors. Again this 111 is not ending, that's why you don't write here. But this 11 and 101 already end, that's why you have to color in here 3, 3, 11, 101. So this is the solution of question number 4. So students, now next question number 5. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in terms of prime factors. That means what? Smallest 5-digit numbers. Suppose smallest 2-digit numbers. Suppose smallest 2-digit number, you have to write 10. Suppose smallest 3-digit number, you have to write 100. So there is 3-digit number and there is 2-digit number. Now here mention 5-digit number. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5-digit number. So student, from this 5-digit number, we have to find in terms of prime factors. So students, first of all, you have to write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5-digit number in circle. So from this 5-digit number, we can divide. This 5-digit number we can divide. Suppose this 5-digit number we can divide 2. Again what? 5, 10, then 3. Okay students, 0, 0, 0 and 10. So 5,000 you will get 10,000. So again this 2, in this 2 you will get factors 1 into 2, but without mention 1 into 2, this 2 already end itself. Okay, so no need to write here, factors. So these 2 we have to think this is finished. It means this factor is end. Now this is 5,000. So this 5,000 we have to write again. This is 5,000 suppose. Then this 5,000, how can we write this one? So students, this is what? This is if 5,000, then you can write 2. Again what? This side 25. This side what? 25. So 25, this is 50, again 0. Okay students? So 2 into 50, again this side 0. This is the correct. Next, again this 25, this factor 2 already end, so no need to write again. From this 2500 you can divide again. This 2500 we can divide 25 and this side what? 100. So 25 into 100, 2500. Next this 25 you can write again factors. So it is what? 5 5 5 25. Next this 100 we can take 10, 10. Again this 10 we can write. This is what? 2 and this side 5. Again this 10 we can write 5, 2. That means 2 5s are 10. So these 2, their factors already end. These 2, no need to write again factor because this 2 itself already end. Next, this 5 also end. This 5 also factors end. So this is 2. Okay, this is 2. And here you have to draw circle. And 2, 5, 2, 5. These all are what? End their factors. So lastly you can write therefore the prime factors of 5 digits number is equal to what? 2 into 2. 2 into 2. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times is 2. Next, how many times 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 5 into 5 into 5. So these are what? These are what? Prime factors of 5 digits number. So students, I hope you all understood about this solution. So if anybody have any doubts, then please contact to my number. So thank you. Have a nice day.